Does your company buy any bulk gases, whether in bottle form or from a dispensing truck?
Do you do any hydrostatic testing where you're holding high pressures for long extended periods of time?
And do you have any issues with your compressed air systems in your plant?
Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Jackie.
And we're with Livingston Haven. If you've answered yes to any of these questions, we'd like to get a few minutes of your time. We think we can really help you optimize your plant's performance.
Haskel International is the market leader in high-pressure technology products. They have 3 individual product segments: gas boosters, pneumatically driven liquid pumps, and air amplifiers. Each of these 3 product segments answered the previously asked questions.
Livingston Haven focuses on solutions for the market with a 6-month return on investment or less with these products. Let's start with gas boosters. If your plant is buying bottled gas of any type, whether it's helium or argon or oxygen, Haskel has opportunities to improve your plant's efficiency. There's chances that you're leaving a lot of excess gas in the bottle because once you fall below the pressure that you're required for your application, whatever is left in the bottle is typically just returned to the vendor. The other issue is you've probably spent a lot of time changing out bottles. Haskel has an opportunity to provide a gas booster system that eliminates both of those situations, where you can pull from a bulk tank, use 100% of the gas that you're purchasing, and also limit the number of times you're having to change out bottles. Gas boosters use a pneumatic piston to compress the air, so common compressed air that you have in your plant already is used to scavenge this gas and avoid wasting it.
If your plant is using any processes that require you to hold high pressures for extended periods of time, there's a really good opportunity with Haskel products to reduce your total costs when it comes to hydrostatic testing. A traditional system involves buying an expensive hydraulic pump that handles the flow requirements as well as the high pressure requirements. With Haskel, you can achieve the same scenario for much lower cost. A lower cost hydraulic pump that can fill your system very quickly but not build the high pressures hits phase 1 of that system.
Phase 2 is covered by Haskel. With a 1/3 horsepower liquid pump that reaches pressures as high as 100,000 psi, you can drastically reduce your total cost of hardware and control it much easier. The system has the ability to deadhead at a desired pressure with simple controls such as a ball valve and regulator. And if there is decay in the system, it kicks back on, hits the system again, and shuts off, so no complicated electronic controls are required. It's just a ball valve and a regulator.
The third category is air pressure amplifiers. Let's say you've got a new machine in your plant and the requirement for optimal performance is 120 psi. You're used to having shop air running at 80 to 100 psi, so you've got a deficit there of 20 to 40 psi that you've got to overcome to reach maximum performance. Haskel has the solution for you. Instead of turning the compressors up and spending a lot more electricity on the generation of air for that one zone, why not just fix that one zone with an air pressure amplifier? The same system that we've talked about in the gas boosters and the liquid pumps also uses existing shop air, but compresses it and magnifies it 4 to 8 times or even higher. So instead of having to spend a lot more money on boosting the pressure on the whole plant, we control it to one zone. We get it up to the desired performance level, and it saves you a lot of money.
Another application has to do with improving cylinder performance. We all know with cylinders, your force equals your pressure times your area. So let's say you've got an expensive cylinder on the machine and it may not have the force you need. We boost the pressure with a Haskel pump, and now you've got a simple solution without having to redesign the machine.
Livingston Haven is an industry leader in productivity solutions for the industrial market. We can integrate Haskel products along with other product lines to provide you a turnkey solution.
Haskel adds a new piece in helping us address some of the issues we've talked about today. We are a factory authorized repair facility for Haskel. If you need any help with any of these issues, please call us or visit our website.
We'd love to work with you.